Welcome back to another episode of the Serpent Showdown. Today we have the ultimate battle between two tremendous serpents, the green anaconda and the Titanoboa. These colossal creatures are both giants in their own right, but who would emerge victorious in a fight to the death? Let's find out. The green anaconda, known for its incredible size and strength, has a reputation as one of the most dominant predators in the animal kingdom. With its muscular body, it can constrict its prey with incredible force, leaving them no chance to escape. But don't underestimate the Titanoboa. This prehistoric giant once roamed the earth about 60 million years ago. It was the largest snake to have ever existed, reaching lengths of up to 40 feet, with a body as thick as a telephone pole. The clash of these titans would be a sight to behold. The green anaconda strikes first with lightning-fast precision, attempting to wrap itself around the massive body of the Titanoboa. Its powerful constriction is a deadly weapon, suffocating its victims. However, the Titanoboa is not easily defeated. Its size alone is an advantage, making it difficult for the anaconda to get a grip. With a swift strike, the Titanoboa sinks its razor-sharp fangs into the anaconda's thick scales, injecting its lethal venom. Both serpents battle fiercely, coiling and thrashing, each trying to gain an upper hand. The struggle continues, and it's a close fight. The green anaconda's raw strength against the Titanoboa's deadly venom. It's truly a battle of epic proportions. Finally, with one last surge of energy, one of the serpents emerges as the victor. And the winner is... Watch the full video to find out who will claim the title of the ultimate serpent champion. Thanks for watching the Serpent Showdown. If you enjoyed this thrilling battle, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more incredible animal matchups and exciting wildlife content. Don't miss out.